The Konepaja VR grinding machine simulator introduces students to the different stages of the grinding process and allows them to test their skills safely and cost-effectively in a digital environment. In addition to the grinding machine, the simulator features a realistic workshop environment containing everything needed for grinding. The simulator includes 4 task modules designed to familiarize students with the different stages of grinding and the use of the simulator, and finally to test their skills with more demanding challenges. Each of the 4 task modules includes several guided tasks. When the required criteria are met, tasks are automatically marked as completed, enabling the student to move on to the next one. In the first task, we measure the workpiece using the drawings shown on the board. In the simulator, objects are picked up by bringing the controller to them and pressing the grip button. Diameters are measured by placing the gauge on the workpiece. The measured value can be recorded. The core of the simulator is the CNC grinding machine. First, power on the grinding machine. The grinding wheel is installed in maintenance mode. A selection of grinding wheels of different materials and thicknesses is located behind the machine. The workpiece must be mounted in the machine. This requires coordination of both hands. From the control panel, other functions such as the doors, coolant, and wheel dressing can be controlled. To operate the machine, a grinding program must be created, supported by realistic drawings in the simulator. The grinding program is created based on the drawing that the future professional must be able to interpret. Once the grinding program is ready, the machine can execute it. Most errors and hazardous situations occur at this stage, but fortunately, in virtual reality, we are safe. After completing a task module, the student can send a report to themselves or their instructor showing grinding accuracy and any errors or hazards during the task. The workshop features veteran tips from experienced colleagues offering deeper insights and bridging the gap between the simulator and real-world practice. These materials are also available on the workshop's Moodle course.